How y'all doing tonight? Thank you very much. Welcome to Chappy's Tiki Bar. This is the Elvis episode. Are y'all shook up ever since your baby left you? No place to dwell? Well, come on down to Chappy's Tiki Bar. If you like Elvis Presley, you're going to be burning in love with this episode. We're going to make an Elvis Shooter, an Elvis Slider. We got Appies with Chappy by the lake. There's tropical destination stores coming right up. So it's now or never. A little less conversation right here on Chappy's Tiki Bar. Aloha, welcome to Chappy's Tiki Bar. This is Mookie, and I'm the king. Chappy's going to be along in a little bit for Appies with Chappy by the lake. So I'm here to make an Elvis Shooter. Alright, this shooter is based on a Elvis Presley story where he flew from Graceland all the way to Denver, Colorado in his private jet just to get a sandwich. Now this just isn't any sandwich now. It's the Fool's Gold Sandwich at Nick's Cafe. It's a giant loaf of bread with a pound of peanut butter, a pound of bacon, and a pound of jelly. So we're going to get started on that shooter. What are you looking at, Mookie? Look, these days we all need some indulgences in these unprecedented times. See what I did there, Mookie? Unprecedented? Get it? Come on now, Mookie. Y'all wouldn't know a good pun if it up and bit you in the vajayjay. What's that, Mookie? Mookie says poll workers have a very difficult job. I think Mookie's talking about strippers. I put many poll workers through college. All right now, Mookie, let's get started on that shooter. Come on, don't be cruel now. All right, so the main component to my Elvis Shooter, I have some bacon infused vodka. You can see it's nice and cloudy. The bacon's gray and it has little solid pieces of fat on top. I got the idea from the Double Down Saloon in Las Vegas, Nevada. They have bacon infused vodka there and it looked equally as disgusting. The bacon was gray and the vodka was cloudy. So just put a little bit in. Oh, I can see the little fat droplets going in there. All right, so that's the bacon. And for the jelly, I have a raspberry liqueur. This is Chambord. And then we're going to put a little banana on our Elvis Shooter. So I have some cream of banana. And last but not least, the king has some peanut butter whiskey. And that's going to be the Elvis Shooter. You want to give it a try, Mookie? Come on now. All right, here we go. It's not too bad, not too bad. All right, coming up next, we got best tropical destination stars. We're going to go all the way out to Kingston, Jamaica. We have Rasta Dog on location. Come on now, Mookie, don't make me go karate on your ass. All right, take it away, Rasta Dog.
Wagwan, man. This is Dog Marley the Rasta Dog reporting from Kingston, Jamaica, man. So this week I have an excellent best tropical destination story. So my tropical destination story take me up north to Miami, Florida, man. So there was this shipment of, shall we say, widgets that I intended to purchase. So this exchange went down at the Second Story Motel on South Beach. These cowboys show up thinking they all odd because they're from Colombia, man. This cowboy, he brings in a chainsaw, thinks he's odd. You got to be joking. I said, man, you been watching that Al Pacino movie. This is a business deal. There's no way to conduct business, man. I says to him, you better be trucking right because you're dealing with a brother from the gutter. So I takes out me blade. Bamba cat jib him right in the eye. Aye? Then I take out my and I put it right in his socket. I says, not so odd now, big time man. I'm f***ing you right in the eye. And that concluded my business. So me and my youth, we found a nice bed and breakfast and did a bit of sightseeing. Now it's hard to find decent jerk, but we found a lovely sushi restaurant right on Ocean Avenue. It's like me man Will Smith say, I came for 2 days of playing, man. But I end up staying, man. The bed and breakfast was walking distance from the beach and had numerous amenities. Back to you, Elvis.
Ladies and gentlemen, I have to apologize on behalf of Rasta Dog. I'm just going to read a little legal disclaimer here. It says, we here at Chappy's Tiki Bar do not condone violence or any kind of racial stereotypes whatsoever. The character Rasta Dog was purely fictional and actually based on a Caucasian Rastafarian. Kind of like the character Gary Oldman played in True Romance. What was his name? Drexel? Alright, so coming up next, I'm going to make an Elvis Slider. And then we got Appies with Chappy by the lake. Don't be cruel now. Alright, Mookie, don't make me go karate on your ass. Coming up next, the Elvis Slider.
Hey little dogs, the king here. I'm going to make what I call an Elvis Slider. So I got a Hawaiian bun. These Hawaiian buns are made from pineapple juice. They're nice and sweet. So it's like a nice dinner roll size. So that'll be perfect for my slider. I'm going to slather it up with a little bit of peanut butter. Now leave in the comment section below if you prefer chunky or smooth. My whole life I was indifferent. Then one morning I woke up, I discovered I liked smooth. That's the kind of informative information you get on Chappy's Tiki Bar. Alright, so I'm going to put some sliced up bananas on my smooth peanut butter. And then I got my candied bacon. See how I'll make my candied bacon. Alright, no candied bacon for you, you little hound dog. It's bad for you. Alright, so this is about 3 strips of candied bacon. We're going to go healthy on the candied bacon. And that is the Elvis Slider. You going to love me tender, Mookie? Alright, coming up next, Appies with Chappy by the lake.
Appies with Chappy by the lake.
Welcome to another edition of Appies with Chappy by the lake. Today I'm having what I call a cheese crisp. It's basically just a tostada with Velveeta cheese on it. I first had it in Great Falls, Montana at a franchise called Taco Treat. It's my favorite fast food taco franchise of all time. When the world opens back up, we'll do a show just on Taco Treat in Great Falls, Montana. It's very simple. It's just tostada with Velveeta cheese melted on top, but it's so good. It's like eating a giant nacho. I made one for my aunt one time, and then now she makes it for her grandson all the time, and they call it Mama's Special Treat. So she basically stole it from me, but it's really good, very simple. And now we're going to need a cocktail to go with our Appies with Chappy by the lake. So we're going to do something I call a mango tango. So I have a large hurricane glass. The ice is already in the glass. So I'm going to put in fruit punch first. Now you want the ice in the glass before you put the fruit punch in, just so you know where to stop. So it's going to be sort of a layered drink. So I got the fruit punch on the bottom. So I have my cocktail shaker here. I'm just going to do something called a dry shake, meaning there's no ice in it. That's just to aerate everything and make it a little frothy. So for my mango tango, I have mango Malibu rum. So that's mango flavored rum. I'm going to do a dash of cherry bitters.
And then of course I have some mango nectar. And then we're going to also do a little bit of Cointreau and a little bit of vodka. Actually, we do a lot of vodka. And then, as I said, I'm going to do the dry shake. That's just to aerate everything. So now I'm just going to kind of try to layer it with the spoon here. Sorry, my tassel of my fez is in the way. And then we're just going to finish it off with a little bit of Sprite up top. And then I have my garnish, a nice blue umbrella. And of course, to go with my mango tango, I got a nice fresh ripe mango, strawberry, and a couple maraschino cherries to garnish. And that is a mango tango to go with my cheese crisp. Thanks for watching another edition of Appies with Chappy by the Lake.
Thanks for watching Chappy's Tiki Bar. Thank you. Thank you very much. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you next time on Chappy's Tiki Bar.